annual celebration of the day India gained freedom from the British rule. Though we are passing through this difficult pandemic time, but that would not stop me and my family to take some time out and remember the heroes who helped us to give our independence. On 15th August 1947, at midnight, our first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, started the speech saying, "At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake for life and freedom." Today we take this opportunity to remember our freedom fighter like Lakshmi Bai, Uttam Singh, Mangal Pandey, Netaji and many more, and pay our humble homage to all of them.
मैं झांसी की रानी हूँ। मैं मेरा झांसी किसी को भी नहीं दूंगी।
आज तक आपने हमारी वफादारी देखी थी, अब हमारा क्रोध देखिए।
इंग्रज भारत सर वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Write in the core of your hearts the names of those who have sacrificed their life for India's freedom.
Give me blood, and I will give you freedom.
India is a country in which every great religion finds a home.
I am not ready to die because it requires infinitely higher courage to live.
India is the meeting place of the religions, and among these Hindus it alone is by itself a vast and complex thing, not so much a religion as a great diversified and yet subtly unified mass of spiritual thought, realization and aspiration.
What greater honor could be bestowed on me than jail for the sake of my motherland?
আমরা লড়বো জাত জাগবে।
Simon Commission, go back! Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Satyagraha is not a creed for the weak or the cowardly.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
We stand then for freedom because when we claim the right to develop our own individuality and evolve our own destiny along our own lines, unembarrassed by what Western civilization has to teach us and unhampered by the institution which the West has imposed.
We will face the bullets of the enemies. We are free and will remain free. Life is lived on its own. Others' shoulders are used only at the time of funeral.
Don't you dare to touch me. Let me see how you arrest me without a warrant.
waste your time in writing a biography or setting up a statue, but pour your whole soul into the service of India. Then only shall you be counted among her true and faithful servants.
Be the change that you want to see in the world. Our great freedom fighters taught us this. Today's program also reminds us about the sacrifices of these men and women who brought the change and gifted us freedom and independence. Hope we all value this change and continue to follow their footsteps